Hi, here's a tutorial on how to create your collaborative grading partner using Gemini Gems. So what you do is you just go to Gemini, and then once it's open here, you will see on the menu and you look for Explore Gems and go to create a new gem here. You can name it as English grader, whichever you prefer. And for the instruction, make sure that you are adding as much details as you can. I'm just pasting it here. Okay, which is basically it's a persona, what you are, an international school teacher, familiar with national curriculum of England, and use UK English spelling and grammar. And then the task specifically tells you which level and what do you call that, 2 stars and a wish. In our school we use this type of feedback. Depending on your school, you might want to change that, and the format, and as well as how do you want it to the output of this grading. And this is the most important thing, that you can upload your rubric. You can upload up to 10 for reference. For this reference, I'm just going to add from my drive. For this example, I'm gonna use year 4 writing assessment, which looks like this. Actually, you can have a look at how it looks like. So yeah, and then there will be a score for this piece of writing, and I want it to also follow exactly or grade it based on the rubric. You can add more if you want to, but for this example, I'll just add 1. And you can have a preview. Once you're happy with that, just save that, and you can start chatting with this. So I'll just give me an example. I'll just say hi, and then it will ask you what level or group of student. So for this example, I'm gonna put year 4. It's going to be a letter writing, and I don't want to have a specific criteria. Sometimes you do want to like to be more specific on, for example, maybe grammar only or spelling, but this is just a general one, following the rubric. I'll just click submit, and then it will ask for upload student writing depending on what you're using. If you're using your mobile device, you can simply take a photo of it, but I already have, or you can add from drive depending on your device. I think I'll just upload these files. I have 2 pages, so I can upload both, and wait for it to load and just ask it to grade, and give it a second, and you will see that it's giving you the 2 stars and a wish as what you asked. All right, and a wish, and it's also according to the grade level. The way it is written is following grade level, and also here against expectation, whether it's achieved or not. And it will give you also the total scores and point. So as this case, it is secure.